In this video cheat sheet, I will be configuring OSPF Cost. I will start off with the baseline show command show IP OSPF interface and show IP route to display interface information related to OSPF. Then I'm going to enable a debug command of debug IP OSPF events to see how things unfold as I configure the OSPF cost. Finish with the same baseline command show IP OSPF interface and show IP route to see what changed. Let's look at the network topology. I will configure OSPF cost on router 2 and router 3. The cost, also called metric of an interface in OSPF, is an identification of the overhead required to send packets across a certain interface. The cost of an interface is inversely proportional to the bandwidth of that interface. A higher bandwidth indicates a lower cost. The formula used to calculate the cost is cost equals 100 million divided by bandwidth in bits per second. I will enter my show command show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 01 on router 2. From the show command output, I see that there is an OSPF process running on fast Ethernet 01, and the cost of that interface is 1 since it is a 100 megabit per second interface. Now I'm going to enter the command show IP route 3.3.3.3 on router 2 to see where this network is routed from. I can see that this route is from interface fast Ethernet 01 with metric 11, which is connected to router 3. I can force the cost of an interface with the IP OSPF cost and then value on interface configuration mode. I'm going to enable debugging of OSPF events on router 3. I am going to set cost of interface fast Ethernet 01 on router 2 at value 100 utilizing command IP OSPF cost 100 in interface mode configuration. From the debug output in router 3, I see that router 3 is receiving OSPF updates. Moving over to router 2, I am utilizing command show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 01 to see what changed. From the show output, I see the cost is changed to 100. Let's check the route to 3.3.3.3 utilizing command show IP route 3.3.3.3 on router 2. From the output, I can see that the route has changed its metric to 101. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps at router 3. I'm going to enter show command show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 01. From the output, I can see that the cost is 1. Let's check the route to 2.2.2.2 utilizing command show IP route 2.2.2.2. From the output, I see that the metric of the route is 2. The metric of the route to network 2.2.2.2 is not affected from cost set on the remote host. I'm going to change cost of interface fast Ethernet 01 on router 3 utilizing command IP OSPF cost 100 in interface mode. I'm going to enter again the show command show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 01. I see that the cost is changed to a value 100. I will check again route to 2.2.2.2 using show IP route 2.2.2.2. From the output, I can see that the route has changed its metric to 101. In this video cheat sheet, I changed OSPF interface cost. I started off with the baseline show command, show IP OSPF interface, and show IP route to display interface information related to OSPF. Then I enabled a debug command of debug IP OSPF events to see how things unfold as I configured the OSPF cost. Finish with the same baseline command, show IP OSPF interface, and show IP route to see what changed.